Back from the dead.
11th of August 2019, I believe, was the last upload on smartphone tutorials, which was dedicated to what this channel used to do, making amazing smartphone videos, be it tips and tricks, ROM reviews, ROM installation videos, live events for OnePlus, Xiaomi, checking out new phones and gadgets and stuff like that. So it's been more than a year. As of now, I am recording this video on, say, today is the 19th of August 2020. So what really went wrong with smartphone tutorials? What really happened that a channel which was doing around 1500 subscribers a month, close to 300 to 400,000 views a month, went down and never came back?
We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
Well, it's not never, because here we are in August 2020 and I am speaking to you guys again. So guess what? The channel is not dead. The daily driver for me has changed, yes. The Poco F1 is not with me anymore, yes, but that is half the story. This is the first video which I'm making as a comeback video to speak to you guys, to give you the confidence, and you guys deserve an apology, because in the last 1 year, through this pandemic, through all these economic slowdowns, anti-China, all sorts of things that have happened in 2020, if there is one thing that kept me going, it was you guys, my subscribers, 15,000 of you guys around the world, always in one corner of my mind telling me that, get back to that camera, shoot that video, show us what a device can do once it is unlocked, because not many people are doing that.
The countdown has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go.
We're back from the dead.
Essentially, that is why smartphone tutorials exists. When I started this channel, guys, well, it was a vision that my channel should be a video version of what XDA Developers is, and to some extent, with your support and demand, we have succeeded in doing that. That was phase one. Something bad happened. I got to a full-time job, my camera had problems, and I had to get rid of the Poco F1. And a lot of things happened, including the lockdown as well. So now that we are back on track, the world has started coming out, things are getting back to normal. So the new normal for smartphone tutorials is making videos every single day. Now, what we are going to do here is, initially we will start in a phased manner, wherein you will have one video every 2 days. Every alternate day you will see a video, and we will do the same old thing, wherein every morning at 9 or 9:30 there would be a premiere. I would be watching the video with you guys, answering all your questions, replying to each and every comment. Now, when we talk about the comment section, that is one thing which I need to get back to. Probably by the time you see this video, well, you would have already received a reply from my end, and that is what I intend to do, because you guys have supported me through thick and thin. So that is what really matters.
Back from the dead.
Now, that was all about what exactly happened, why the channel stopped, and what is the future. What is the current situation? Well, this is the current situation. This boy has been my daily driver since I would say August 2019, and yes, this is the K20 Pro red color 6128 variant. In the last 1 year, although I have not been able to make videos, I have been flashing ROMs and stuff like that. Even now, for that matter, this particular phone is running Xiaomi.eu. So the next video will be a preview of Xiaomi.eu, and then we will get back to the basics of installs and previews. So you would ask, why am I making this video? Why is Kailash making this video instead of directly getting on track and shooting a video right away? Well, this is a sincere apology to all my subscribers who have supported me, but I was not able to upload anything for more than a year. But guess what? I'm going to be regular right now, and you will see uploads almost every alternate day. The community will thrive. I will look at your requests and we will make videos based on that. And the big answer to all of your questions, all of my Poco F1 subscribers, yes, within a month of me starting the channel back, I will have a Poco F1. I will buy it used maybe, but I will make a lot of videos. My one special consideration is that how different is the K20 Pro compared to the Pocophone F1? What are the ROMs? It's still getting MIUI 12, so we will do a MIUI 12 preview for the Pocophone F1. K20 Pro has MIUI 12 already and a ton of custom ROMs, including GSI for Oxygen OS. We have audio mods. Guys, I have so much of catching up to do. I'm so excited. I cannot tell you that it is going to be amazing. All I need is your support through the next 6 months. Let's get smartphone tutorials back to its previous standings, back to the amazing powerhouse that it was with your love and support and my content creation. I really hope you will like today's video. Share it to the maximum with the title that you see, Smartphone Tutorials is back. Today's video I will end in a way in which I have been starting all my videos. So after a long time and one pandemic later, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. We are just beginning.